Dude. I'm freaking shaking right now. This is like the biggest hands down decision like I've ever made.
Tell me what's wrong with the trailer. It's just ASMR. That's on you.
So you just slam it?
Do it. Wakey wakey.
What's up, guys? Good morning, ladies and gents. Thank you guys for tuning back to the channel. In today's video, we got Charlie here. We got a trailer hooked up. We're getting gas. Things are about to get really serious. So right now, we are heading, like I told you in the last video, about 5 hours. We're gonna have about a 10-hour road trip today to go buy an auctioned American muscle car. It's wrecked, it's totaled. It's gonna be a good time, and I'm freaking pumped. What do you think, Charlie? Oh. Alright guys, run the intro and talk to you guys in a bit.
I got crazy thoughts that stay on my mind, but I promise I'm fine. I'm doing alright, and I'm back again.
What you looking for in there? Okay, that's enough. That's enough slices.
I can open this lid without it making a noise. And I'm serious.
You've caught my attention. Ha! There that way
Roanoke
to Roanoke, eastbound and down.
Shut up. Shut up.
Morning. All right, guys. So basically, a couple nights ago, I was bored at home, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go look on Copart because I've had a Copart account for a while, and I'm gonna buy something. I was just, I was feeling it. So we found this car right here. Ding. It is a 2006 Ford Mustang, and I was like, you know what? This looks pretty nice. We might actually could win this. So while I was at work, I was like, Charlie, gave him my login information, and we have a max bid set at this price. If we win, if it's possible, go ahead and buy this car. We'll go get it. And we both honestly didn't think we were gonna win, and then we ended up winning by a landslide. So right now we have 5 hours, well 4 hours, to drive to Pennsylvania, 3 states away, to go buy our dream American muscle car, the Ford Mustang. So sit back, it should be fun, and I'm super freaking stoked. It's over top of us. I got it. What's up, baby?
Tell me what's wrong with the trailer.
Wasn't there a clip right here?
I'll put the bolt in there.
And the bolt's gone?
Bolt's gone.
Here's the thing though, you will have that on these big jobs. We were driving the whole way here, and that toolbox opened about 8 times. So
as you can tell.
And we just left it. But guys, we just got into Pennsylvania. We're about 5 minutes from Copart. We stopped to get some gas, fuel up. We're gonna head over there, pick up the car, and see what we're looking at. Never been here before, never been to Copart. First auction car. So you guys know just as much as we do, but we're gonna fill this thing up and see what happens. There it is. Copart Auto Auctions, baby. Dude, I'm freaking nervous.
Well, the thing about it is this car was bought sight unseen.
Yeah, sight unseen. Literally just saw pictures online, and I was like, you know what, we're gonna take a chance and go buy it. But guys, we got a cashier's check. We're gonna go in here, figure out where to park, figure out how all this works, and I'll talk to you guys in a bit.
A few moments later.
All right, guys, we just finished up all the paperwork. I'm shaky. I'm super stressed out right now. But we got the title, certificate of all that good stuff, sales receipt. So we're gonna go ahead, tuck this in here. Car is paid for. They're gonna pull it out to us. We couldn't load it up, but yeah, I'm super. I'm freaking shaking right now. I'm so stressed out. But moment of truth, it's coming out here in a second. So guys, I was telling Charlie, but this is like the biggest hands down decision like I've ever made. Besides the 65 Mustang, we've driven 4 hours to buy a sight unseen auction car to hopefully flip and make some content with. Not even flip, to make some content with. You guys will see. But I'm stressed out. Spent a lot of money today, but it should be cool. I'm super excited. I hope you guys enjoy the car, but it's just a huge decision, and I'm stressing out a lot right now. But they're about to bring it out. Hopefully it's not destroyed because they have to bring it out on forks. But it is what it is. We'll figure it out, and I'll talk to you guys in a second.
You can't see it. It's
Awesome.
right there.
There she comes, baby. Let's go. Dude.
Look at the wheels on the back.
Dude. Guys, this is my new 2006 Mustang GT. It's black, it's a 5-speed manual, and it's a V8 4.6 3-valve. It's a new car, guys. This is the new channel build. Biggest moment of life right now. I'm stressing out, but it's here. Dude, this thing is sick. Dude, it's already got tint. This thing is gonna be freaking rowdy. Guys, it's the premium package, fully loaded. We're missing some interior pieces. And yeah. We're missing some trim.
Bro, but look at the tire on the back.
Hey, is there exhaust? We got a freaking Dale,
yeah, baby.
Let's go. Dude, it's freaking beautiful.
Grab you a seat.
It's freaking
Upgraded air intake.
we got our work cut out for us, fellas. We're gonna go ahead and load this thing up on the trailer and try to get home because I really want to take this thing home. Start pulling it apart, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know of a name, because we need a name for this thing. This thing's gonna be sick. Hey guys, after a long bout with this car, the car is on the trailer. We had to get the guy with the Ford to come back, pick it up, put it on here. But guys, it's on here, and boy, there are some goodies on this car. We're gonna wait till we get back to the shop to show you guys, but this thing has something. It's something crazy. We're gonna go ahead, try to head home, probably grab a bite to eat, and find some air conditioning. The truck's AC isn't working. It's about 95 degrees outside, give or take. This thing is so sick. Yes, sir. All right, let's get out of here. Freaking hot. Train's coming. We can make it punch it.
Bro, she really ain't that big.
Strap check. Oh, it's a little loose. Nature, we get it. We get it.
I wing in my eye.
We just got some food. Charlie's now in a good mood, so that's a big dub for
I'm about
us.
to go over there on that job site.
Talk to you when some event happens, because it always does. In traffic, we knew it was gonna happen eventually. How you feeling, Charlie? Feeling good?
Ah, this sucks.
And we don't have air conditioning, so fantastic. But yeah.
What is the Slenderman of a white boy doing? Hey man, you're gonna be real disappointed, but we don't have a cooler.
It had to be done.
It is
92 outside. Guys, we went to stop and get some snacks, and it is so hot, and we don't have air conditioning, so I just grabbed a bag of ice, and I got a new friend. So we're gonna hit the road, and talk to you guys in a bit. You'll have that. And we enter the eye of the storm. Hey, you know what they say?
the storm is right here, between my peps. Right here. When it rains, it pours!
You know, you know.
Facts.
That's a hill kit. Every freaking time. Home, baby. Good old 109. Good old 109. Guys, we're gonna take a car to the shop. put her in, do a little bit of musical cars, move some stuff around, and yeah, it's gonna be sick. And we're gonna start diving in this car a little bit. We're gonna save the most of it for the next video, but we're gonna go a little bit tour, and we really want to try and start this thing up. So talk to you guys in a second when we get there.
Did you drop in the car? Okay guys, car's in the shop. You guys just saw Charlie's down here. We're gonna start trying to pop the hood on this thing, see what actually is going on underneath the hood. Guys, this thing looks sick in here. 06 Mustang GT. Whew, it's gonna be awesome. The moment we've all been waiting for. Pop the thing. Hold on. No.
No!
Yeah, oh.
Right at the bottom corner. Yeah, because it shifted that back all the way.
Dang it, man.
Dude, that'll be alright.
It won't be alright. We need a new windshield. Alright, that's how this car is going to go. Alright, you know what? Starting out, let's just get real with it. You'll have that. And on that bombshell, let's go back inside the car. Man, that sucks. Okay, inside it smells of teenage boy and bad decisions. But we have all weather back seats. There was a stereo in here at some time. And then somebody put this... Dude, this is a Chrysler radio. This is out of a Jeep. Alright, we don't need that where we're going. In here, oh, there's a Sirius XM box. Guys, we do in fact have a short throw shifter. Anyway, guys, we're gonna have to redo all the radio stuff anyway. Short throw shifter. We got another shifter in the console. All the bolts are in there, that's nice. Over here, found some house keys, and inside the glove box, we got some paperwork, and oh gosh, got some nice condoms in here. Fantastic. We're definitely not going to be needing those right now. Maybe later. Oh, and another condom. Okay, we're just going to close that. Guys, let's go on and show you guys what's in the trunk. Best part by far, the LES sticker. You got all the floor mats. Oh, I bet this thing had taillights and they took them out and put the stock taillights back in because all the clips are missing. That sucks. But we've got the front trim piece where they did have a double dent in there. But at least we have all the AC controls and everything back. Side panels, floor mats, shift boot. We got a full console, so that's nice. The spoilers in here. Shout out to whoever put that back in here. Go ahead and go underneath the car. We were looking earlier. This thing has a full exhaust from the header. It does not have headers like the last Mustang, sadly, but it does have, it has a full Borla system all the way up. And we're missing some catalytic converters, so we're gonna have to do something about that to pass the state inspection. Up front, damage-wise, we're looking at new hood, new bumper, this thing's cracked, obviously new headlights, possibly radiator, core support's bent. Like I said, new headlights, but the fenders are in good shape, the door gaps are fine, nothing shifted. Now we need a new windshield.
Nope, that's not.
Gosh, it was so close not to hit him.
I know.
Out of here. You'll have in here, we got all new cold backs we can see up front. K&N air filter, cold air, baby. That needs to be plugged in there. We'll fix that eventually. But as you guys can see, the core support is pushed in pretty daggone bad, so we're gonna have some creative ingenuity to pull that out. But looks like hood might be having hood pins. Okay, that's race car. So hey, that's a good sign. Looks good, right at the full mark. So we were told this was a running and driving vehicle. Oh. Well, it turned like the alarm's on. Hey. Aha. nervous. Okay guys, we went ahead and pulled the battery out of the other Mustang just because we're gonna need a new one anyway. So, that's hooked up. Let's see. How's the store?
Take 196,733.
I was looking, the O2 sensors aren't hooked up front, so you hear the exhaust leak, but dude, that's freaking nasty. Full tank of gas, no check engine light. Dude, let's go. All right, we're gonna let her. She's proved what she had to prove. Dude, let's go. Yes. All right, guys, with that epic ending to a video, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please stay tuned for this sick build. Guys, we have a ton of plans for this thing. I'm talking power adders, street racing, drag racing, and a manual 3-valve. So guys, this should be freaking awesome. Please stay tuned. Let me know what you guys like to see in the comments, and I will talk to you guys on the next episode later this week. See you guys later.